By 2024, starting a faceless YouTube channel will be the best and easiest method to make passive income. YouTube Shorts are generating thousands of dollars for creators. By means of such anonymous YouTube channels, such channels as Living Wisdom and Quotes have earned millions of dollars. The only issue is that those niches are still quite saturated at the moment. In the recent past, those who first ventured into those areas have recorded significant success in recent months. That is why we decided to make this film about this rather lucrative industry. If you are interested in making money on YouTube, then this is one of the best categories to begin with. This is because this niche is 100% monetizable. It is important to understand that you cannot get rich on YouTube in a short time. It is not like that. This video will show you how to begin a channel and monetize it within 3 months. The same can be said for us. Here is a sample video that can be associated with this topic. After that, we may begin to develop videos for this niche gradually.
This is hard to imagine. For many years, Parisians did not like the appearance of the Eiffel Tower. Surprising, right? Here are some interesting things to know about this famous place. The Eiffel Tower was constructed in 1889 and is located in the middle of Paris. His team constructed it to celebrate the 100 years of the French Revolution during the 1889 World's Fair. This iron giant is colossal in size, with a height of 324 meters. Try to imagine an 81-story building. It was the tallest man-made structure for 41 years, until the construction of the Chrysler Building in New York City. The Eiffel Tower is not only about the height, it is about 2.5 million rivets connecting 18,038 iron pieces. Despite the fact that it is very large, its mass is only about 10,000 tons. Not very heavy for a structure of that size.
This specialty will be called Famous Places by me. Now, let me start creating the video. What is needed most of all is a list of well-known places. We should go to ChatGPT and tell it to list down the 50 most famous and important places, buildings, bridges, and historical sites in the world. We now have to write the script for this video. The first video that we will create will be about the Eiffel Tower, so let's use ChatGPT again for this. We are going to use this prompt. You may use it as well. Create a 60-second video script about the Eiffel Tower. Focus on educating the viewer about this place, and make sure this script is engaging with a good hook that will make the viewer watch this full video. Make this script more natural. Don't use complex words. The script should be easy to understand. The script should only include the voice. Don't add it in directions or stage directions. Use this prompt. Now let's write the script. Well then, this is just great. This will work for our video because the audience will be able to follow the flow of the content and understand the message being passed across. For this video, voiceovers are now required to be made. Again, the voice that we decide to apply should not sound like a robot. For this reason, we need to employ an extremely realistic AI voice generator to ensure that your target audience cannot distinguish that the voice is AI generated. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-to-speech AI voice generators. To clone your voice, you can use 11 Labs since it offers a wide range of AI voices. This saves you the cost of having to buy expensive voice recording equipment. Most importantly, you can use these voices to make money from your videos. You can start with 10,000 free characters when you register for free. Now let us look at some of the AI voices and select the one that is suitable for this video. Selecting the terms from the top menu and clicking Voice Library, we can add more voices by clicking the Add Voice button. As you can find voices linked to every area, we will go with social media. This voice says, in seed time, learn and harvest, teach in winter, enjoy, let's explore. Okay, this voice is good for our project. Should it be added to the voice list? The only thing that remains to be done is to record all the voiceovers and replicate the screenplay element by element. Let me ask you to demonstrate how to make a video, similar to the one you watched in the example, about this specific place. For this operation, we are going to use Google Earth Studio. First of all, it is necessary to sign up for Google Earth Studio. They will inquire about the intended use and make you complete some forms. Just write that you plan to create videos about different places. Then you can submit it and get approval to use this website. If you click the Trial Studio button now, this page will be shown to you. When the drop-down menu appears, select Quick Start. You can see many options here to record a particular place. Besides, you may zoom in on the orbit of the Earth to create a spiral camera view video. I intend to make 3 different videos with different camera perspectives and shots. I will choose the first option so that we can create a zoomed-in video from space for the first video. The next step is to search for the place of interest, which in this case is going to be the Eiffel Tower. All you have to do is choose that spot. We will now go to this page. This bar can be used to alter the level of zoom in that we want to use. We will not go as far as space, rather. Let's start here. We will arrive at this screen after that adjustment and after clicking the next button. This video has a preview. We need to select the 16:9 aspect ratio because we will be creating fast videos. To do it, select Files and Project Settings, then set the size to 1920 x 1080. We can then choose the render button to begin the download of the video. As before, we are going to make another video, but this time from another perspective or from another angle. We will select Quick Start again. This time, we are going to select the spiral zoom option. Then search for the place again. These bars allow us to control different aspects of the video, such as the angle and the zoom in and zoom out. Just try it and get a great result. Following that, press the next button. From here, we may now set the length of your video. It is set to 25 seconds in this case. We are not going to alter anything. It can be made to any desired length that one may want. Now let's move on to the next page. Again, ensure that the movie is sized in a 16:9 ratio so that we can click on render to get the video. Likewise, with Google Earth Studio, we can create as many films as you need. Now we will get some stock footage of this location, and then we can compile all the films to make the final product. We should obtain multiple clips from pexels.com. Select some of the videos that you find interesting from that section. The only thing missing now is some good background music. As always, we can obtain background music of good quality from pixabay.com. Once you have downloaded it, then we can start the process of transforming it. Edit this video using CapCut. This free video editing software can be installed on your computer or phone. Once you've downloaded it, perform the following when starting a new project. Choose the Modify button on the side panel. Here you can select the correct size 16:9 ratio and change the name of the project. Okay, let's import all the resources that we downloaded and created for this video. After that, ensure that the silence is removed from those levels by moving the voiceovers to the timeline in the correct order. With this program, you may remove these silent sections by erasing or deleting each one of them. Put the films that we produced on top of the vocal layers after you have done with the vocal layers. We now have to add stock footage to these video segments. We should be able to change from one video to another every 15 seconds. Oh, just take your time and change these. It is really easy to do so. Next, go to transitions and add some artistic transitions between the segments. Your video will be of higher quality as a result. Then, captions have to be inserted. Another feature of CapCut is that it has an auto-captioning feature. Go to text and select auto captions, then select the language as English and begin generating. The captions will be generated in a few seconds, and you can always change them if you want. Now we will make the text bigger and change the font. It is entirely up to you to interestingly edit these texts. The best color combination is plain, and the best font style is bold. We will select this hip font that fits this niche to ensure that these captions pop out. From here, we may change the text effects of these captions if necessary. Now it is possible to add some sliding animations. Go to Animations and select Captions from the toolbar at the top. This page has multiple caption animations. We will select this specific animation because it presents the text letter by letter and word by word, not in sentences, which is quite cool. The background music that has been downloaded must then be inserted. Put it below the voiceovers, ensuring that you lower the volume so that it blends with the voiceover sound. The finished product can then be exported to other countries for sale. And that is how it is done. You've just learned how to make a profitable, faceless YouTube channel in one of the most overlooked categories, famous places, as you can see. With the help of proper tools and a pinch of imagination, you can easily replicate this process to produce more content that your viewers will enjoy. As I said before, YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with time and good content, you are on the right track to earning a passive income. Regardless of whether you are interested in history, traveling, or simply like to share some interesting facts, this niche is limitless.